In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay text on an image in Microsoft Word. This is a handy skill, especially if you're working on documents that require stylish headings or annotations over pictures. We'll take it one step at a time, ensuring that you perfectly overlay your text onto your chosen image. Let's get started. First, we need to insert the image you want to work with. Start by opening up Microsoft Word and navigating to the Insert tab. Click on Pictures to choose your image file from your computer, then select and insert it into your document. Once your image is in, the Picture Format tab will appear. Within this tab, locate the Wrap Text option and select Behind Text. Alternatively, you might choose another wrap style, depending on your preference, as long as it allows text to be placed on top. This setting is crucial because it ensures your image is treated as a separate layer beneath any added text boxes, giving you the flexibility to move elements around freely. Once your image is set, it's time to bring in your text. Go back to the Insert tab, but now we'll focus on the section for text. Click on Text Box and choose Draw Text Box. With this tool, draw a box directly over the section of the image where you wish to add your text. After drawing the box, click inside it and type whatever you need. Feel free to customize the look of your text. Change the font, adjust the size, and pick a color or style that complements your image. This is your opportunity to get creative and ensure the text is both legible and visually appealing against your backdrop. Now, let's clean up the text box so that your image isn't obscured by borders or a background. With the text box still selected, go to the Shape Format tab. Here, find Shape Fill and choose No Fill. This action will make the text box itself transparent, allowing only your text to show. Next, do the same with Shape Outline by selecting No Outline. This means your image can shine through, and your text will appear naturally on top. Finally, adjust the position of your text box to suit your design. Click and drag it to the ideal spot on the image. You might need to tweak the layout if things aren't aligning quite right. Always check the wrap and layering settings. Both your image and text box should be set to float rather than being in line with text. This flexibility is key for achieving the perfect visual layering where neither element obstructs the other. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully overlaid text on an image in Microsoft Word. Use this technique to make striking and professional-looking documents, adding a touch of creativity to your work. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.